out of here.
It doesn't even make sense?
You need a different separator.
Well, we can use that. I just gotta put it together. You want me to put it together?
Actually, can you go get me a sifter?
Sifter? Like a real sifter?
Yeah. A real sifter.
We'll use the one we use for the sandbox.
No, a real sifter.
This is the realest one we have. We don't have any other ones.
Why not a real one?
We do have a real one.
Can you get it for me?
It's time to get out the big dog.
But we're not using him.
Yeah, I'm going to use him.
We can't. Only little trucks.
Why? We can use a big truck too.
No, only little trucks.
You've used him in the past.
Only little.
Here's your sifter.
Look.
Here's your sifter.
I just need my sifter.
Sifter, okay.
I'm gonna sift this and make sure.
Here comes the big truck, guys.
Hey, what I'm
Dun,
doing.
dun, dun. I see it. You're doing a great job sifting that out. I'll keep giving you more to sift, okay?
Okay.
Beep, beep, beep. Put it over so I can sift it. Or I can drop it. Nice and gentle so we get it all in there. How am I doing? Good?
It's done. So clean.
It's cleaned out? Beep, beep, beep. What are you sifting over there for?
Because
Beep.
need that. Yeah, this has a crack in it.
It does? Do we need another one?
You need another one.
Oh no! Forky just fell down the hill.
Hold on. I need a different one. I think I'll have to clean out your bucket. I have to clean out your bucket. I have to clean out your bucket, dude.
Okay. Here you go.
No, point it so I can see it.
Okay, I'll put it over here. Let me spin me around, so. There we go. Here.
I need to see it.
Beep. There we go. It's resting. We better block the wheel so he doesn't roll anywhere while you're cleaning. There we go.
Oh.
Is it clean? You got it?
Nope. Not done. Still not done.
Wow. Getting awfully dirty.
Done.
He's done?
Actually, I think I have to clean this over here. I think I have to clean these out.
He wants pizza. Can you start him that pizza that's in there? Thanks. Thanks.
Leave it up so I can... No,
Oh,
not that high.
Not that high? Is that high enough?
It's good.
Okay, I'm going to dig right here on this hill.
I have to fix it now. I'll give you some... You have to clean your bucket. There you go. I have to clean. I have to clean. I have to clean your cap. Clean your cap. Sister, I have to clean your cap.
Okay, I'm just going to keep digging. Where, buddy?
You tip over for a second.
Wow, there's lots of cobwebs and stuff in here that haven't been cleaned out for a long time.
Dad, we're just doing this. There you go.
Thank you for fixing me.
Watch out. There's a snail right here.
Just a shell.
Okay. Throw it. Just stick to me.
We gotta move this big brick right here. That's our mission. All
I'll
right.
help with my forks. Lift it up. And my forks. Good. I got it.
Lift it up. Good job. Good moving that brick.
I help. Me help.
We're digging this quarry right here. We're starting to run into some clay. The quarry's getting deeper. Oh, we hit a root. We're gonna have to call the cutting team in.
Who's the cutting team? We need a saw, Dad. Dad, can you go get a saw?